night safari.
You saw the elephants in the night safari?
Yeah.
Armaan,
Rhino.
Armaan, let's do the next animal. What is the next animal?
Rhino.
Okay, put it down. Put it down. Wow, look at that.
It's a nose.
Mama, show me the... Okay, Armaan. Wow, this rhino is very big, Armaan.
It says baby rhino.
Wow. Look at the design.
It's an African.
Wow. Armaan,
Rhino.
look at the design, Armaan.
It's a
This is very nice, right?
It's a rhino.
This one is rhino.
This is
Wow.
rhino.
Armaan,
So rhino.
Armaan, look at the design. Oh my God.
So also rhino.
Where? Show me the other rhino. Wow, you got another rhino?
Yeah.
Wow.
We have
Put
two
it down,
rhinos.
Armaan. Put it down. Wow. This one is a grey rhino, and this one is a red orange rhino, right? Right, Armaan?
Red rhino.
This one is a red rhino, right?
Right.
See this?
See this? Two rhinos.
And this one is orange rhino. This one is a red rhino. This one is a grey rhino, right?
Right.
Wow. This one is amazing.
Amazing.
Right? This one is very nice, right?
Isn't it?
You like
African
this?
elephant.
Wow. Okay, give me the next animal, Armaan.
Okay.
Wow. What is this?
Hippopotamus.
Is it hippopotamus?
Yeah.
Wow. This one is the orange hippopotamus.
It's a sweet hippopotamus.
What is this?
Red hippopotamus.
This one is a red hippopotamus. Huh? Wow. Look at that. Armaan, did you see the hippopotamus before?
I see in the Universe Studios.
Where did you see the hippopotamus?
In the Universe Studios.
In the Universal Studios?
Yeah.
Oh my God. How many did you see?
1, 2,
Only 2?
3 hippopotamus.
You saw 3 hippopotamus?
Yeah.
Okay.
Crocodiles.
How many crocodiles?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 crocodiles?
Yeah.
5 crocodiles?
Yeah, 5 crocodiles.
Okay. Wow.
It's not just a tiger.
Look at the tiger. Oh my God. Look at this. But this one is opening the mouth, Armaan. This
I
one is a
see
big tiger.
Elephant in the night safari.
You saw the elephants in the night safari?
Yeah.
When did you went to night safari?
I go. Papa go. Mommy go. I go.
Wow. When did you go to night safari, Armaan?
I see elephant in the night safari.
When did you go? Last week? Yesterday? Day before yesterday? When did you go to night safari?
Big night safari.
When did you go?
Big.
It's very big?
Yeah. I go night safari big.
How many elephants did you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Is elephant running?
No, it's walking.
It's walking?
Yeah.
It's looking at you, elephant?
Yeah.
Okay.
I see elephant.
Did mommy take you or papa take you to night safari?
I take.
With whom you went to night safari? Mommy, papa? With who?
Daddy and mommy and Anna.
Daddy and mommy and you?
Yeah.
Okay. What animals did you see in the night safari? Huh?
Elephant.
What animals did you see in the night safari?
Elephant.
Only elephant?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow, you got cheetah babies, right? What is this?
It's a cheetah cub.
This one is a cheetah cub. It's a cheetah babies, right?
Cheetah babies.
What is this, Armaan?
Cheetah babies.
This one is a cheetah babies.
Yeah.
Look at the face. It's very ferocious, right? Wow, cheetah
Like
cub.
Like that.
What about this one?
This is
You got 2 cheetah cubs, Armaan? You got 2 cheetah cubs. This one is the one cheetah cub. And this one is another cheetah cub. Wow.
I see.
This one is another cheetah cub. 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 Okay, let's try another 2 animals. What is this?
It's a python.
This is yak. Armaan, this one is a yak, right?
Yuck.
This one is a very big yak, right?
This is not yuck.
This one is a woolly yak. What is this?
This is python.
This one is a bison.
Yeah.
That doesn't look like a bison to me. Yeah, bison, man.
Yeah.
This one is a bison. But
I
there is
take.
no name.
I take python.
Yeah.
You take lion.
Okay. Give me the lion.
And you take python. I take lion.
Wow.
You
Nice
get.
bison.
You take. and
Armaan, look at the
fighting
face.
the-
Armaan, look
bison.
at the face of the bison.
It's very orange.
This one is very nice, right?
It's orange.
This one is an orange bison.
Yeah.
Right,
Fight
Armaan?
We fight the python. Fight the python.
Armaan, look at that. This one is an orange bison.
Fight.
Wow.
This fight.
Wow. What is this? What is this, Armaan? This is a fox or wolf? What is this?
Wolf.
This one is a wolf. It's a wolf pack. How does a wolf make sound? How does a wolf make sound? Yes. Ow. Ow. Yeah.
Sound like that.
Sounds like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, look at that.
Doesn't make
Wow.
like that.
Okay, guys.
That's what I
Bye bye, guys.
Bye bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
Love you, guys. Armaan, thanks for watching.
And then
Armaan, Armaan, say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe on the channel.
Please subscribe this channel.
Yeah, bye.
Like my video.
Like my video, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. It's a new day. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.